Hello everyone. In the last lecture you have seen the question based on partial fraction of type 1. Now we will solve some of the questions from the type 2. So what is type 2? So type 2 contains the question like in the denominator we have one is linear factor and other is quadratic factor. Okay, and that quadratic factor may be explicitly written as a linear factor or not. So it depends whether it is explicitly written or not. So this I am going to tell you a new method of solving this type of partial fraction. Okay, so we will solve here solution. So given thing is given x square minus x plus 3 divided by x minus 2 x square plus 1. Okay, now consider this first. So consider x square minus x plus 3 divided by x minus 2 into x square plus 1. Now how to write this as? You have to write this is a divided by, this is a linear factor, इसमें कोई डिग्री x का 2 नहीं है तो x का डिग्री 1 है, इसीलिए हम लोग a divided by लिखेंगे x minus 2. Okay, now in the second factor you can see here there is x square. So whenever you have a x square in the denominator, you have to write here bx plus c. Okay, and divided by second factor is what? X square plus 1. Okay, so bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. Now cross multiply it. So if you cross multiply, you will get a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into this is x minus 2, right, divided by product x minus 2 into x square plus 1. So what I did here, I have written the cross product here a into x square plus 1 and bx plus c into x minus 2. So give the bracket for each term, otherwise there is chances to get the mistake. Okay, there is chances to do the mistake. So x minus 2 get cancelled with this x minus 2 LHS, x square plus 1 get cancelled with x square plus 1. Now what is the remaining term? Remaining terms are x square minus x plus 3 is equal to a times x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 2. Okay, so in this lecture we will see the new method of solving partial differential equation. Okay, so here give this equation as first. Now put x equal to, here what do we have? X minus 2. So put x equal to 2. Put x equal to 2 in equation first. Put x equal to 2 in equation first. So what you will get here? 2 square, which is 4, minus 2 plus 3, which is equal to a into 2 square, which is 4, plus 1, plus, and if you put x equal to 2 here, 2 minus 2 gives you what? 0, and 0 into everything is 0, right? So whole term gives you 0. So what you will get here again? This is 4 minus 2, which is 2, plus 3, which is 5. Okay, and this is again 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. So therefore phi equal to phi a, that means what? A equal to what? 5 divided by 5. For 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So therefore what you will get? A is 1. Okay, so this is the first value of a. So how I did this? Substitute x equal to 2 in equation first because we have x minus 2. So put x equal to 2 in equation number first. Now we will find second values of second. So how to do this? Put again. So whatever the question is, put x equal to 0 in equation first. Put x equal to 0 in equation first. So whenever you have a one quadratic and one linear, one quadratic and one linear, then first of all put x equal to whatever the term here we have, and then every time put x equal to 0 in equation first whenever you have this type of problem. Okay, so if x equal to 0, then 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 plus 3 is equal to a into 0 plus 1, right? 0 plus 1 plus x is 0, so b into 0 is what? 0 plus c, and 0, if I substitute 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Okay, so what you will get here? A plus, this is c into minus 2, which is minus 2c. c into minus 2 is minus 2c, which is equal to what? 3. Correct? So understood? A into 0 plus 1, x is 0, so x is 0, then 0 plus 1, x is 0, so b into 0 is 0, plus c, and x is 0, so 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Now here minus 2 into c plus 0 plus 1 is 1, so 1a equal to 3. So give this equation as equation number 2, and now put x equal to, okay, now put a equal to 1, put a equal to 1, because we have a equal to 1 here, so put a equal to 1 in this second equation. So put a equal to 1 in equation second. So what you will get here? So equation second is 3 equal to a minus 2c. So therefore a equal to 1, then 3 equal to 1 plus minus 2c. Correct? So therefore 3 equal to 1 minus 2c, and if I transfer 1 on this side, so 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 2c. So what you will get here? This is 2 equal to minus 2c. So you will get c is 2 divided by minus 2. Minus 2 will be on the left hand side, it will be divided. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So c equal to what you will get? C is equal to minus 1. So I got c equal to minus 1 as value. Now we will solve for b. Okay. So how to get the value of b? Again replace, put x equal to, you can put anything value, x equal to 1, put x equal to 1 in equation first, put x equal to 1 in equation first. Why 1? I can take any value. Once you get the value a, then you can take any value, x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 or x equal to 2, whatever you want. You can take any value. So if I put x equal to 1, what you will get here? 1 minus 1 plus 3 is equal to a into 1 plus 1 plus b into x is 1, so b plus c, and if I replace x is 1, then 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 1 is 0, this is 3 is equal to 2a plus, this is 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1 into b plus c. But what is a? What is a? A is nothing but 1, so 2 into 1, this is minus 1. B is what? No, B we don't have. So what is C? C value is minus 1, so replace C is minus 1. Okay, so therefore what you will get? 2 into 1 is 2, and multiply this minus, so you will get minus B, and this minus minus plus, so minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, which is equal to 3, and therefore 3 equal to 2 plus 1 is 3, right? Correct? So therefore 3 minus 3 equal to minus b. This 3 I have transferred on the left hand side, and therefore what is b? B is 0. Okay, so this is the new method of finding the value of ABC. Now I will replace all these values in equation first. Okay, or in this equation I will replace all the values in this equation. Therefore x square minus x plus 3 divided by x square minus x plus 3 divided by x minus 2 into x square plus 1 is equal to a is 1, right? So replace a is 1. So here a is 1. So 1 divided by x minus 2 plus what is b? B is 0. So 0x plus what is c? C is minus 1, right? C is minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1. Now here we can write this as 1 upon x minus 2 plus 0 into x is 0 minus 1 plus minus 1 divided by x square plus 1. So this is the final answer for your question. So next problem is x square plus 23x divided by x plus 3 divided by x square plus 1. So here given is x square plus 23x divided by x plus 3 x square plus 1. Okay, same method we will follow. So given is x square plus 23x divided by x plus 3 and x square plus 1, which is equal to a divided by first term, which is x plus 3, plus this is quadratic, so write bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. Now cross multiply it, so a into x square plus 1 plus this and this, so cross product bx plus c into x plus 3. Correct? So now divided by x plus 3 into x square plus 1. So x plus 3 get cancelled with this, x square plus 1 get cancelled with this term. Now we have a remaining x square plus 23x, right? So x square plus 23x divided by x plus 3 into x square plus 1. So this get cancelled. What you will get here? X square plus 23x is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 3. Okay. Now what I told you, put x equal to, suppose this is equation first and this is equation second. You can write anything because I have to at the last I have to substitute all the values in this equation. So put x equal to, here what we have, x plus 3, so put x equal to what? Minus 3 in equation 2. ये इक्वेशन में पुट करना है, राइट? सो x इक्वल टू माइनस 3 पुट किया तो क्या होगा? माइनस 3 स्क्वेयर प्लस 23 इंटू माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू a इंटू माइनस 3 square plus 1. And if I put x equal to minus 3, then minus 3 plus 3 will be 0. So this term is 0. So a into, what is minus 3 square? 9. Correct? Minus 3 square is 9. Now what is minus 3 square? 9 plus 23 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So this is minus 69. Correct? Why this is minus 69? Because 23 3s are 69, minus है तो minus 69, minus 3 square is minus 3 into minus 3, which is 9. So 9 minus 69 is what? Minus 60, which is equal to 10a. And therefore what is a? Therefore a is minus 60 divided by 10. So 10 6 are 60. So a is minus 6. So you will get a is minus 6. Now I told you have to put any value, so I will put x equal to 0. Again put x equal to 0 in second. Put x equal to 0 in second equation. So what you will get? Put x equal to 0, then 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, right? X is 0, then 0 0, correct? Then this is equal to a into x is 0, so 0 plus 1. X is 0, so then b into 0 is what? 0 plus c, and 0 plus 3. I replace x as 0. So what you will get? 0 equal to a into 1, which is a. This is 3c. This is 3c, right? So a plus 3c equal to 0. So equation number 3rd. Now put a equal to minus 6 in equation 3rd. a का जो वैल्यू आया है माइनस 6 पुट करो हमारे सेकंड इक्वेशन में, थर्ड इक्वेशन में. तो थर्ड इक्वेशन में पुट करने के बाद क्या मिलेगा? 0 इक्वल टू माइनस 6 प्लस 3c, क्योंकि हमारा दिस इज 0 इक्वल टू a प्लस 3c था, तो a के जगह पे माइनस 6 पुट करो. सो ओके, सो देयरफॉर -6 ये साइड में लेके आओ तो +6 होगा, विच इज इक्वल टू 3c. सो c इक्वल टू 6 डिवाइडेड बाई 3. सो 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. सो c कितना मिला? c we will get 2. Now again put x equal to 1 in equation second. क्या करने को बोला है मैंने? x इक्वल टू 0 के बाद x इक्वल टू 1 पुट करो, कोई भी वैल्यू पुट करो, कोई भी चलेगा, ऐसा कुछ जरूरत नहीं है हम लोग को, यही होना चाहिए. सो x इक्वल टू 1 पुट किया तो 1 प्लस 23, 1 स्क्वायर कितना होगा? 1 ही होगा. 23 इंटू 1 23 होगा. a इंटू 1 प्लस 1 प्लस b इंटू x इज 1, सो b प्लस c. इधर x के जगह पे हम लोग को 1 पुट करना है तो 1 प्लस 3. इधर x के जगह पे 1 पुट किया तो 1 प्लस 3. सो 23 प्लस 1 इज 24. 2a आएगा 1 प्लस 1. दिस इज b प्लस c इंटू 1 प्लस 3 इज व्हाट? 4. बट a कितना है हमारा? a इज -6. सो a इज -6. पुट a is -6. What is b? b we have to evaluate. What is c? c is 2. Correct? c is 2. Now this is 24 equal to -2 into 6 is -12 plus 4 into b is what? 4b. Multiply this. 4 into 2 is 8. And therefore what you will get here? You will get this is 24 minus 12 on the left hand side will be plus 12, and this 8 also on the left hand side it will be minus, plus becomes minus, which is 4b. So what is this 24 plus 12? 36, and minus 8. 36 minus 8, which is what? 28. Correct? So therefore b equal to, what you will write? 28 divided by 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So b is 7. So therefore b is 7. Now therefore x square plus 23x divided by x plus 3 into x square plus 1, which is equal to replace the value of this a. A is what? -6. So -6 divided by x plus 3 plus what is b? We have to put b and c also. So इधर मैं लिख रहा हूँ from first. क्यों? क्योंकि फर्स्ट में रिप्लेस कर रहा हूँ मैं. b कितना आया था? b I got 7. So 7x plus what is c? c is 2. So c का भी वैल्यू पुट कर दो. So c का वैल्यू इधर 2 पुट करना पड़ेगा. So 7x plus 2 divided by x square plus 1. So this is the final answer for this problem. Okay, so for this problem we can see, so whatever the problem is, you have to just apply this technique to solve any problem. So if you like this video, then please subscribe, share and comment on the video. Thank you.